Not one of them are gonna win, ever. When I release that title and I retire, then they can have it. Yeah, you better film me beating it up.
Viral.
That's gonna make me like, yes, hey, that's oh, I see.
Right?
Now I do, okay.
Pretty cool, right?
That's pretty dope.
So, okay, so both eyes open.
Both eyes?
You want to look at the A.
Okay.
Okay?
I got you. I want to look at the A. All right. I can hear the music, everything. Right? That's dope.
All right, Jeff, Greg, we're gonna go hot.
Going hot.
And then whenever you're ready, why don't you give me 5 on any of those A's that you see. Shit, that A. Badass.
Got close.
Good stuff. That's badass.
Good grouping, nice.
Good, you're good. How'd it feel?
It's good.
Goes in, so you hear that click, goes into a click. Perfect. The left hand pulls back and then you let go. Perfect. You're trying to pull this horseshoe apart. Okay? Not so much to where you're like shaking,
okay,
but enough to where it's firm.
Am I missing or is it the optic? You know what I mean?
I'll try to get you.
Good? Nope.
Getting the chin up is for awareness because we only train like self-defense and stuff like that. So if you tuck in, it becomes kind of like a tunnel vision deal.
Why don't we do one more mag of 10 or one of those 10 rounders, JP? You're gonna rack it hard. All right, we're going hot.
I like a challenge.
That's a nice little group.
Yeah.
Very good.
The group, so the group is good, but I want you to almost think of that as like an afterthought. I want you to stay with the rhythm and try to figure out how to control this gun in front of me. I basically don't want you to even think there's a target on you.
Okay, and I'm all thinking just.
I know you're like, I want to hit the A.
I do.
Want the A, right? And like, we'll get to that, but right now I want to speed you up. Okay, we're empty. Good, you're good. Perfect. That was your best. That was better than the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect.
No, it felt better. It felt better.
You did good. Good, you're good. So now what I want you to do is I want you to go into one of the A boxes that are clean on the bottom.
Okay.
And I want you to go as fast as you can.
All right.
Good. Fuck yeah. A dead center too. Fuck yeah. Good shit.
Then back into the eye line. Good. Yeah, all this looks a lot better. Just make sure whatever you're doing that it bleeds over to once we have the optic back on there.
Right.
Perfect.
Okay. So you go there, and then you go there.
Competition's lunch.
You want
What's
10,
our bet?
10 holes.
Steak tonight if I win.
Okay, I want
Ribeye.
This girl knows how to make mad.
I don't know. Buy me something.
Till it's empty. Good trigger control. All right, you're empty. Go and sit down. Dude, tell me that grip wasn't fucking good.
Dope. I wanted to say.
You stacked like 4 or 5 of them.
Yeah. Buying me something good today.
I got you. Look at mine's way better than yours already.
Yeah,
it is.
stacked. He said, they're
Please.
stacked. Did she beat me?
I guess we'll see how many
In
in the
between
box.
rounds, that's why I say, am I winning? Am I winning?
All right, line cold.
Yeah, let's see this.
2
I
out.
don't even know how to not offend other people that aren't shooting. You shoot better than a lot of people that we've shot with before.
Yeah, for sure.
That's green.
We killers.
That's why we
Really
make the
good.
perfect team.
Yes.
Yeah, I think
It's going down, girl.
one of
Everything's
these
a
each.
competition
Yeah.
between us. Can you tell?
All right,
I mean,
Literally everything.
nice.
Ah.
Keep going, keep going.
Good grip. We're not stopping till the mags are empty.
Keep going, keep going. Oh, come on, you got this.
There you go. There you go.
Did it just end in a tie?
Is that it? Let me go and check this out.
Lucky you got 2 shots. I hit it twice and it didn't.
Okay, so it ended in a tie. You guys can run it back if you want. Your
That's
nail
what we
poked
do.
the slide, and then it did that. Right?
There we go.
Oh, she was waiting.
It's all good.
I can't let nobody win. I'm a savage.
Yeah, my corner was badass.
My corner is badass too. The whole pace myself thing, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, the
you were
old
like
saying,
hyping
right?
me up. Calm me down. Tell me to choose my shots.
Yeah, yeah.
What kind of corner are you?
Damn.
It's all your fault. It's not my fault.
All right, where's those scissors? I'm cutting that nail.
Yeah,
Cut
for
nails.
real.
This one.
Saw it off.
It's different without a red
Yeah.
Nice.
So.
There it is.
Like this. Bitch. See how I'm standing next to you right now?
Yep.
Okay,
I take it light work.
2, 3.